Question 1. In the diagram, 3 circles in a straight line must add up to 100. Write the missing numbers. For each of these lines, you're either given 2 or 1 number, and you're asked to fill out the missing one. So if we look at this top line, we have 40 and 35. Now there's lots of blank space, so we can use this to show our working out. If I add together 40 and 35, using column addition, 0 add 5 is 5, 4 add 3 is 7. So we currently have 75 on the top row. To make that add up to 100, we need to find out what's missing. So what do we add to 75 to get to 100? Lots of ways of doing this. You could use a number line. Maybe you could just recognise it on the top of your head. The clearest method to make sure that we get this right is to use column subtraction from 100 to see what the missing number is, because whatever is left over must be in this top left box. 0 take away 5 we cannot do. 0 take away 7 we cannot do. So I'm going to borrow from the next column. So now we can borrow one from here, which leaves us with 9 and 10. 10 take away 5 is 5. 9 take away 7 is 2. So our missing number in the top left is 25. We can do that for each of the remaining numbers. You can use either the 2 numbers down the right hand side or the 2 numbers at the bottom to work out the bottom value in the top bottom right. It doesn't matter, they should both be the same missing number, and you can use your answer to check using the other 2 numbers. So I'm going to use 45 and 10 because that's very easy to add together to give you 55. So what do we add to 55 to get to 100? So 100 subtract 55. Borrow from here to give us 0 and 10. Borrow again to give 9 and 10. 10 take away 5 is 5. 9 take away 5 is 4. So my missing number should be 45. Does that work? Well, 45 add 20 is 65. 65 add 35 is 100. So we've got a way of double checking that this is our correct answer. The missing number over here must be what's missing between 45 and 25. If I add together 45 and 25, 5 add 5 is 10, so 0, carry the 1 across. 4 add 2 add 1 is 7, so that's 70. So the number that must be missing here has got to be whatever's missing from 100. 100 take away 70, 0 take away 0 is nothing. Can't do 0 take away 7, so we'll borrow 1 from there. Leaving us with 10 take away 7, which is 3, and nothing left on the left column. So 30 is our missing value. You just do a quick double check. 25 add 30 is 55, 55 and 45 is 100. If you made one mistake in here, you will have lost one of the marks on there. So do be careful and double check.